السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته, Sheikh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
So my question is about some verses of Quran which can be said like as a dua. For example, there is one verse in Surah Al-Yusuf, ayah 101. In some part of the ayah it says like فَاطِرَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ أنت ولي في الدنيا والآخرة, and continues. So if I say this dua of Prophet Yusuf in sajda, is it okay? Because I was told that you cannot read ayahs as dua during sujood. Barakallahu fikum.
وفيكم بارك الله. What you were told was wrong. You can recite or read a verse of the Quran as part of dua in your sujood. There's no problem in that. The problem is to recite the Quran whether in ruku' or in the sujood, because there's a prohibition. One might ask, what is the difference? The difference is, if I'm in sujood and I start to recite لا أقسم بهذا البلد وأنت حل بهذا البلد ووالد وما ولد. Whoa, what are you doing? I'm reciting the Quran. It's the best thing that is existing. It's Allah's beautiful words. It's Allah's speech, subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's not created. So I'm reciting it. He said, no, there's a prohibition from that. But if I am in sujood and I say, ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. These are not recitations. This is not a recitation of the Quran. Rather, it is selecting verses that are dua, and I'm doing this dua in my sujood or ruku', and there's no problem in that at all.